Hi guys, it's Tracy and I'm back with the Ipsy, and this time I got the Icon box. This is the one that's had Gwen Stefani. She like curated it, and there are some products from her in here. This one I haven't opened up or used, so I can't give you any information about this one. But this whole look is from the Ice Cream Beauty box, and the eyeshadow palette is this Wicked Widow, and it's called Lovesick, and I really like the color story on it. And that's the swatches that are on my hand and arm. So this was I really like this palette. I used it today, and the formula is like super smooth, and like you don't hardly hear anybody talking about them, but they have some nice stuff. So this was the Gwen Stefani thing, and well, we already know they don't like give us a thing anymore to tell us what's what. So the first thing, I think this was the choice item, and it's the Myrick Yummy Skin Glow Serum Hydrating Facial Primer, and I think this is $36, I think. And then they gave me a Gwen Stefani, or Give. This is their Original Me High Performance Matte Lipstick, and it's in the shade Lovable Me. I thought it was going to be like a bright red, and I'm like, you know what? If I get a bright red, I'm going to rock it and see how long I can rock it. The lipstick fell out. Wow. It just fell right out of the tube. Wow. So, I don't know how... Now I'm going to be worried anytime I use it. I might have to tell them, because this is my kind of shade. I love me some brown lipstick. Let's see. So, here at the bottom, I will say if yours is on its way, be careful when you open it, because it might fall out like this one did. I think I'll have to let them know that we had a lipstick down. And let's see, so I think this was the other choice item. It's called Trophy Skin. Discover your best skin. Brighten multifunction eye, face, and neck tool. And it says safe for all skin types, including sensitive skin. And it is, what is this? I think it's like it says heat therapy, brighten device, USB charging capable user manual. It has heat therapy, microcurrent, smart touch sensor, sonic vibration, and high power LEDs. So we will have to open this up and see, and if I use it, I'll take like before and after, and like maybe give it a month or so, and we'll see if we notice anything. I've been using something like that. I was trying to remember what it was. I'll remember when I get my empties out. And I've been using whatever it was a certain brand of retinol, and I've also been using vitamin C. And my pores have, I know they don't like shrink, but I mean my pores are so much more less visible, because I have like huge pores, and I could sit there and get all of the gunk out, and then it seems like the next day it's back. So this retinol, and then maybe I've been using the Ole Henriksen vitamin C, and I don't know which one. Oh, it was the Pixie, the skin treats. They come in little individual like ampule things, and you squeeze them out, and those I used them for like a month, and that's when I was like, man, my pores are like way smaller. So that's the only thing, unless it's the vitamin C. But yeah, I was looking, I'm like, wow, I can't believe my pores are so small. So they're looking good with that. Okay, now this is from Keys Soul Care, and it is their Deeply Replenishing Squalane Face Oil. Comes at a good time, because I just finished off all the oils that I had in my rotation. So I got rid of like 2 or 3 of them. And this, I think I bought, this is the First Aid Beauty 10% Vitamin C Brightening Serum. So I've been adding, I added vitamin C into it and retinol. So we'll see how it works. And next is the Warm Wishes Effortless Bronzer. The shade is Bright Side, and it's from Rare Beauty. Selena Gomez company. I know these were a hot thing for a while there. Was this a choice? This might have been a choice item. I don't even know. I don't know what's going on here. Let's see. Can you guys see here? It looks like that should work okay on my skin, I hope. I guess once you get it, you don't need like a ton, because that's, yeah, that's a lot. Just that one little swipe seemed to mix really good just with the finger. You mix it with the brush. So that, I think those are $22, and I think the Gwen Stefani lips are $24. And then the next thing I got was Kate Somerville. This is the Hydra Kate, and it is their recharging serum. It says apply AM and PM 2 to 3 pumps to clean and dry skin. Allow product to fully absorb before applying additional products. Next up here is the J.Lo body, and this is their Firm and Flaunt Targeted Booty Balm. Ooh, I need this. Yes. I don't know how much this one was. I didn't see it around any. I haven't really been watching a lot of YouTube lately either. I've just been, yeah, watching a ton of movies. We've seen some really good ones. Some of them I don't know if they're at the theaters or what they're on. And we watched one last night, and it was called No Way Up. And these people were in this plane, and the plane crashed, and like everybody died but 6 people, and the plane is like this on the edge of a reef or something, and like it's just like teetering, and like all the people at the front of the plane are dead. There's 6 people that are surviving. There's one little girl that's 8 years old. I'm like, oh my God, poor little girl. And they were like, oh my God. And then there was a big hole in the side of the plane, and then the sharks start coming, and I'm like, oh no, oh no. So then the front part of the plane, it was like hanging over, and it detached, and then so the nose went like, it was, I was looking, I'm going Mariana Trench way down there. So I don't know where that ended up or how they stayed there, and they were able to get out using like some oxygen from those little flotation device things. And I'm like, there's no way in heck that they could have survived that. And only 3 of them survived. And I was just like, there's no way that they could have even held their breath that long. I'm always a skeptic though. They can't do that in real life though. So, but it was still a good movie. So we watched that, and we watched The Beekeeper. Jason Stratham, I think was his name. Yeah, and we've been watching some pretty good movies. So now the last item in the box is from Dominique Cosmetics, and this is the Eternal palette. It looks like a nude lover's dream. Yep, nude lover's dream. Really pretty. I like her formula too. And I've been more into like kind of softer looks. I haven't really been wearing like bright, like orange and purple and all that. I haven't been doing that lately. So maybe it's because I'm old. I don't know. But anyway, I just filmed the ice cream beauty box, and I'll probably put that one up first, and then I'll put this one up, but you won't know that till later. So I hope you guys liked the video, and I hope you liked me talking in the video with the ice cream beauty box. If you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments down below. Let me know what you guys have been up to. I haven't been doing anything. I'm still living life, and I think I'm gonna I canceled my ice cream beauty box, and I think I'm gonna cancel the Boxycharm or Ipsy next month. So, cause like I said, we bought a new sofa, I got a new bed, and I'm like, I didn't know beds cost that much. Like, what? Am I living under a rock? So I bought the same bed that my daughter has. So, because I was like in the store, and I'm like, they all feel comfortable. And then you're like, which one do I choose? So then I went home because I couldn't choose. So then my daughter's like, well, we've had ours for like 2 years. Because you start reading reviews, and then they're like saying, oh, it's already sinking in. And I'm like, great. So this mattress that I got, I think it's a Sealy Posturepedic something, Cal King, and it has a 10-year warranty on it. So when it's like 9 years and like 10 months old, I'm gonna tell them that it's all messed up and I need a new one. I bet you people try that too. But anyway, that's gonna do it for today. Today is Saturday, so I hope you guys had a great day today. Have a great Sunday tomorrow, where I think it's gonna be kind of warm. We've had a warm winter, but we just had like 2 days of solid rain, and my town floods like mad. So I try to stay home because I have a Honda Accord, and I'm like, I could just see it like floating my car down the road or something. So at least my boyfriend has a truck. So I'm like, I like this being up high a little bit better because then I could see people. And he drives a semi, so he's like, I'll never buy a car. So he'll always be wanting to have a truck because he's so used to driving high up like that, seeing people, crazy people, the things they do. He always tells me stuff, and I'm just like, oh my God, like, yeah, crazy stuff. So, all right, I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Hope you have a great Sunday, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know any kind of content you like to see. And like I said in the other video, I want to try to go live. And so if you guys can like let me know, I can kind of gauge like what time would work for you guys. I was thinking like a Saturday or a Sunday, but I mean, it could be any day because I don't work. But maybe I'll see if I can put a post or like a poll on the community tab, and we'll see if that works. But in case it doesn't, just leave me like what time are you guys free, and then maybe we can work something out and do like just a live chat. We don't have to talk about makeup, we talk about anything. My sister and I are like, we should start our own podcast because we always have stuff to talk about. So we were thinking about that. So I don't know, we might do that. We'll see. It would probably just be a YouTube channel where we talk stuff, I guess. So we'll see. So, all right, have a great rest of your night. Talk to you guys later. Bye.